Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you are new. Hey girl, hey, I'm Sharon. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today, y'all, we are going to be doing these gorgeous mini twists, trying out bulk hair for the first time. So let's get into it.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, you can't be replaced.
Hey y'all, so today's hair was sent over from HOTBRAIDS. Before we get into the hair though, we have to get into all of the things that they sent, because they sent so many goodies. But they also have like these little pamphlets that show you the differences between each texture. The texture that I have is 4B4C. They sent me 3 bundles of the color 2 and 3 bundles of the color 4 in 20 inches. This color 4 is so pretty. I love how brown it is, and I got the 4B4C texture like I already said because it just matches my texture best, and I liked how it looked. It had like a bit more of a curl. And this next clip has all of the textures. Like I said, in the pamphlets they have like a lot of information so you could choose the best texture for you. Okay, so let's get into the actual style. I was hyped because this was my first time trying bulk hair, so I always start off with quads. That works best for me, and I also wanted to start off camera because I've never done this before, so I needed to know what I was doing. The first couple of twists are struggle city because I didn't know what I was doing, but like I said, when doing quads, once you get the first quad done in the back, you literally just have to match up the parts. So for each twist, I used about 3 to 4 pieces of hair. I took each piece and I stretched it because I wanted it to have a little bit of length, and then I did it like this, so it was kind of mismatch. I kind of put the ends together to give it a bit more length, to elongate it, because it says 20 inches, but to me it's not really giving 20 inches for real, and I wanted the twist to have a little bit of length. So I'm just going to take the neat braid and then put that all around the section, smooth it out, and then I'm going to part it and braid the root just one time, and then take the hair, put it in between my fingers, and then basically feed it in, and then continue to braid because I didn't want it to have a knot at the root. However, later on in the video I'll show you where I do it like with a knot and you can't really tell. But either way, I'm braiding the hair. I'm gonna braid that down nice and tight to make sure the hair is in place, and then I'm going to change the position of my arms so I can start to twist, because that would not be comfortable for me to do it like that the whole way. So I flip it over, and then I'm showing you this in real time as well, and then I just start twisting. I am twisting my hair in my fingers and then twisting it together. So I'm twisting the hair, then twisting it together to make sure that the hair is locked in place. I'm taking some neat braid, putting it on the ends of my hair because I don't want my hair sticking out. And again, because I want some length, I'm going to take another piece of hair and kind of like feed that in almost. I'm taking it and then twisting it and then twisting it. So twisting it in between my fingers and then twisting it together, twisting it in between my fingers and twisting it together until it's locked in place. And then once it's locked in place, I loosely twist the hair because I don't want it to be super tight twisted all the way down. So I loose twist it the rest of the way, and then especially once I get to the ends, I basically am just like wrapping it around each other and not really twisting it. So we're gonna do that one more time. I stretch the hair, and then I take basically the ends and put them together so that way it's longer. Now for this, because that piece of my hair is thinner and shorter, I basically just started braiding at the root with the hair, using my hair as like the 3rd piece and then the bulk hair as like the 2 pieces to have 3 pieces for the braid, if that makes sense. And then like I said, once I get it braided down a little bit, I flip it over and then I start twisting in between my fingers and then twisting together. And like I said, for some extra length, I am adding an extra piece of hair. And when I am adding the hair, I'm kind of doing it uneven as well. Like the longer end is obviously gonna be like on one side, and then one side is gonna be shorter. And then I take the neat braid and put it on the ends of my hair so that my hair doesn't pop out. And then that's how we have a little bit of extra length. And then like I said, I loose twist the rest of the way. Some of the braid twists I was putting water on the ends, but then I stopped doing that after a while because it wasn't really like a point. But yeah, I'm just gonna continue to do that, literally the same formula, rinse and repeat, braiding the root, adding the hair in, and then switching my arm over, twisting, adding in an extra piece of hair, making sure that it's like uneven, so you get extra length, and then twisting, but making sure to loose twist once you have all of your pieces of hair secured. And once you get to the ends, leaving her be, because then we're going to go back and define the ends later on. And this is what we have so far. I feel like they look so juicy. Oh yeah. Even though, like I told y'all, my hair is very low luster. Like my hair is kind of dull naturally. But anyway, so like I said, continuing to twist, and then once I'm done, I'm gonna go in and define the ends, because like I said, at first I was spraying the ends one by one, and I was like, there's no point in doing this. I'm gonna go back in and define it once I'm done. So this is the finished product, and they are so full and thick. Oh my gosh, obsessed. So now we're gonna take the spray bottle and spray these ends of these twists down. Okay, I'm literally soaking the ends, and then I'm gonna take the dew mousse, because you know she's the goat, and then we're gonna put that on the ends. I'll literally only put it on the ends, nowhere else. And then some of the twists I did go in and kind of like twirl the ends, but not all of them. And then I go in and cut off any straggly pieces. I didn't want to cut the twist like evenly because I didn't want it to look too uniformed. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so this is the style. Actually, I think I'm gonna throw this in a bun real quick. Okay, so yes, this is the final look. I'm gonna leave it in a bun because I just feel like this cardigan is giving very much so bun. Listen to me when I tell you, sister, this color is gorgeous. Well, I got two different colors. I got color 2 and then color 4. Their color 4 is not like a regular color 4. It is so pretty, and I'm so glad that I opted for both colors, because I was like, I don't really know, like my hair is very dusty brown, but then when it has product on it, it gives like a color 2. But this color 4 is not my color 4. I don't know what color 4 this is, but I like it. Anyways, y'all, I feel like the video was very much so detailed up until this point, but I just wanted to come and close out. I've been wanting to try bulk hair because I tried like human springy twist hair, but I've never tried bulk hair, and I've been seeing like so many videos of the girls doing the mini twist with the bulk hair, and I haven't done mini twists in a hot minute. Like it's been a long time since I've done some mini twists, but I wanted to try it out with the bulk hair just to see like what the fuss was about, you know? This is very cute. Like let's say you're a mini twist girly and you want to go on vacation with your mini twist, like you want to be able to get them wet and have them still withstand, or you want to do mini twists and keep it in for a very long time. You want to be able to wash it. You want to be at, like, you know, all of those things. I feel like this is very good for that. Oh, you know what? Also too, I feel like if you have shorter hair and you want to do some, like you want to start locks, but you don't want to wait until your hair grows all the way out, I feel like you could use this hair as well to like start your locks. Like obviously putting it in your hair with like a twist and then letting the twist turn into a lock, you know? I feel like that the kinkier texture, the very last texture, will work better for that. But either way, like I feel like this is very good for long-term styles, like if you're going to keep it in for a couple of months, or like I say, you're going on vacation. So that's it. I just wanted to come close out the video. Once again, thanks so much to Hot Braids for sending me over this hair and collaborating with your girl on today's video. I truly appreciate it. If you are interested in the hair or the company, I will have all of the links to the hair and & Company in the description box for you to check it out. Please do not forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Obvi, you know, support your girl. And drop that in the comments. Let me know what you thought of the style. And I will catch you in the next one. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings.